How to upload video to TikTok on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can upload video to your TikTok on your mobile. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, you will see the plus icon on the middle. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see your gallery on the bottom right. Tap on it. Now select videos. After you select videos, just select the video that you want to upload. Now tap on next. You can make your edits if you want to from here, and after you do that, tap on next. After you tap on next, add a description and hashtags if you want to, and after you do that, you are ready to upload. So now tap on post and wait for a bit and your post will get uploaded, and that is basically how you upload a video to TikTok. Thanks for watching guys, that is all. Stay tuned for more.